Oh goodness, this is bad. This is bad. Okay, so this hair has been straight for 2 weeks now, and it is a hot mess. It is so gross and sweaty, and it is time to refresh the curls. So I'm going to show you my process for how I go from straight to curly. Okay, the hair, y'all, it is a mess. Like, the roots aren't even straight, they're half straight. It's a hot nappy mess in here, but let me show you what I do in order to keep my hair strong and healthy while also being in silk press season, but an old silk press. So first things first, I'm going to do a hot oil treatment, and I use my own rosemary oil that I make. This has literally changed my hair in so many different ways. It's like unbelievable. I've been doing this for like probably over a year now, and it is my go-to oil. I do this every other week, sometimes every week, just depends on like if I have a straight hairstyle or if have curly hair or whatever. So since my hair has been straight for about 2 weeks now, and it's been through the ringer, Lord have mercy, I'm going to do this hot oil treatment, and I'm also going to show you, before we get started, how I make this oil, because it's super simple and it has so many benefits. So let's make the oil. Rewind. This is a fresh batch I just made. I'm going to show you the quick way to make it. So there's 2 ways, but I'm going to show you the quick way. So let's make the oil. Okay, so you're going to take oil. I'm using olive oil here, about 1 to 1.5 cups. You're going to let it simmer, and then you're going to add your rosemary, fresh rosemary stalks, and just let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Then we have our rosemary oil. So from here, I am just going to pour it off into a condiment bottle that I use for my rosemary oil. And it is so beautiful in color. I don't know why I love this color, but it's awesome. And you have your rosemary oil. Okay, now that I've shown you guys how to make the oil, I am going to now apply this oil in my hair. And I actually have Zumba class this evening, so I'm just gonna put it in my hair, put it in a bun, put a headband on, and wash it out tonight after I get back from my Zumba class that I teach. Okay, so here's the oil, and all I do is just go in and just put it like on my roots. Like, it's a condiment bottle, so it has like a pointy tip here, and I just do this all the way throughout my hair while squeezing just a little bit, because you don't want too much because it will be dripping down your neck, down your face, everywhere. So I'm gonna make sure I get real good in the center, because y'all, the center of my head at the top is so dry, and so like, it's my kitchen of my hair. So I'm gonna massage this in. Right now I've only done the front portion of my hair, so I'm gonna massage this in, get it all in. I'm already dripping. See me dripping? Oh, don't want to put too much, but sometimes the hair be so thirsty. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and do the back. So this is gonna look crazy, but I'm just gonna do the back again. Making sure to get the middle. And I'm gonna massage this in. Ooh, y'all, the hair is wildin'. It is wildin', and it is so dirty. I cannot wait to wash it, because bruh, the hair needs a good washing. Okay, so next that I have my roots all oiled up and I've given myself a really good scalp massage to massage this oil in, I am going to apply it to the actual hair. especially the ends. So I'm not going to do too much because I don't want to oversaturate it. I'm going to pour a little bit in my hands and get it toward the end, in the middle of my head, on my hair that's hanging down. And y'all, this process is going to be oily, okay? That's the whole point. It's going to be oily. Get over it. It's going to be oily. So if you're someone who don't have a afro or mixed hair texture, say you have straight hair naturally and you are doing this rosemary oil method, you're going to have to get used to having oil on your hands and oil on your head. It's fine. You're going to wash it out. And your hair is going to look so much better and it's going to be super moisturized. The moisture that this oil gives your hair is absolutely insane. So I have it all good and saturated. So like I said, I have Zumba to teach tonight. So if I'm doing this on a normal day, what I would normally do is I would do this oil treatment, put it all in my hair, and then I would normally wrap it up in a scarf and just like sleep in it, to be honest. So make sure your pillowcases have like double pillowcases or sleep with a towel, because this can get really oily and ruin your sheets. But I typically, like I said, wrap it up in a scarf and either wear it all day on my hair or overnight and wash it out in the morning. But since I don't have that time today and I have to be somewhere tomorrow morning, so I need to wash my hair tonight, so I'm just gonna put it in a bun, if I can get this around. And no, I did not comb out my hair, because y'all, I cannot comb out my hair when it's dry. I know some people can. I am not putting myself through the torture, so I ain't doing it. I am not gonna do it, okay? It ain't for me. My hair, I'm tender-headed. I cannot do it, okay? Can't do it. Okay, put it on my headband, because literally I'm gonna sweat anyway, so I don't care if this gets oily or whatever. Okay, so I'll be back and we are going to do the wash and condition. So I'm back from my Zumba class and it's time to wash the hair. So the rosemary oil has been in my hair for a couple of hours. I would say like 2 hours at the max. So I'm about to wash and rinse it out. So I'm going to be using the Thank God It's Natural Rosemary Water Sulfate Free Shampoo. I'm going to be using the Thank God It's Natural Triple Moisturizing Conditioner. And this one here. Oh. Let's go wash this hair because it looks a mess. Look, it looks like stringy and oily and awful. Now you might be wondering, how in the heck is my hair going to revert to my beautiful curls? Y'all, I got this down to a science, so let's wash. The hair is washed and I told you the curls would be back like magic, okay? So I am going to detangle and put in my favorite product that I feel like is a complete miracle. So I used to go from putting 4 products on my hair for my wash and goes to using only 1 product, and that product is the dough. So this, the Mousse Death Texture Foam, wow, this is all I use now for my wash and goes. 1 product, it's a mousse and it does not dry out my hair. It's freaking amazing. So let's detangle and apply this and go to bed. Of course, with our hair wrapped up. vlog. My hair, everything's done. So I'm about to, I'll just show you guys real quick. Curls are still curling. So I'm about to go to bed because it's late, y'all. I'm at 8 p.m. girly. It's way past my bedtime. So I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna wrap up my hair, go to sleep, and then I am going to fluff out my hair and I'll show you guys the finished product. I'm up and edit about my day, and I took down my bonnet and my scarf, and the curls are curling. Like, they look amazing. So I'm gonna go through with a Shea Moisture bonding oil, and I'm just going to fluff out my hair. So I just put enough, I don't know how much, just enough. And I am just gonna go through and just fluff out my hair so the curls can be just fabulous and even more moisturized. So after doing this oil treatment, I will say that my hair loves it. It's super moisturized and it feels and looks amazing, and I love it. So I'm just fluffing it out to break up the cast that the mousse has on my hair, which is not, my hair is still pretty soft, but I'm using a mousse, so there's always going to be a little bit of a cast. Okay, so this is just how I fluff. Just take my hands and fluff, 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 fluff. Hair is done. Super easy. Here's the back. Looks great. I love, love, love it, and I love this product. So this is my routine from going from straight for 2 weeks, looking a hot mess, you saw it, to beautiful curls that are back. Like, look at my curls. I love it. I love it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more lifestyle, beauty, hair tips, fitness videos, all of the above. So don't forget to subscribe. See you later.